So I got this 3-pound bag for about, I'll say about $8 at Sam's Club. A natural, raw, there's nothing in it. Literally, it's just almonds, no salt. So this is what to get. It says it contains 9 cups. So it's about less than $1 a cup. I spent about $2 making that. And usually almond milk is about $4 or $5, and I know exactly what's in it. There's nothing extra, so it's cost effective and it's worth it because you know the ingredients that you're putting in it. And I definitely think that this is worth taking 20-30 minutes to do. So I've been soaking 2 cups of almonds for the past about 36 hours. So they are good and soaked. I'm gonna go ahead and drain these and start making the almond milk. So these almonds got really juicy and thick, and they're drained. I'm gonna rinse it, just rinse it off a little bit, and then go ahead and put it in the blender. So I put in some filtered water, about 4 cups. So that was double the amount of the almonds, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. Forgot to add my little extras. I'm gonna be adding in some vanilla extract and a little bit of cinnamon and a dash of salt. As always, I let the ancestors guide me, but this is what I put in. So this is blended about halfway, but it's looking a little thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and max out the blender and put in the rest to make it 6 cups. So this is what it's looking like. And I got some cheesecloth, finally. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain this with my new cheesecloth. I think that's good, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just dried almond. So that's pretty much the process. I'm going to go ahead and continue with this, and we'll see how much I get. I think this is a pretty good consistency, but I'm going to add in just a tad bit more water, like maybe even half a cup or to a cup, and blend it a little bit more. But this is good so far. So this is what it's looking like after adding in a little bit more water. I see the difference a little bit. I don't know. Do y'all see a difference? Might want to go ahead and keep on straining. So this is getting pretty full, and I still have a little bit ways to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a glass container and continue. This is the first milk jug. And this is the second batch. 2 cups of raw almonds made 2 full containers, and I guess about a cup, but this made a lot. Very cost effective. It should last in your fridge for about 5 to 7 days. That's probably how long it'll take us to get through it. So if you want a cheap and easy way to make homemade almond milk, then do this. So I'm about to make some oat milk. Got a cup of oats, some ice cubes to make it not slimy. I'm going to flavor it with some ground cinnamon, some vanilla, and got my water. I'm adding some cinnamon to the mix because oats and cinnamon go together. Got my vanilla extract. Going to use about a tablespoon of that. And it don't look that hot, but it's going to be good. We're doing the same process that we did with the almond milk, blend and strain. So I have my cheesecloth, pouring in a little bit of the oat milk and just straining it. Drip, drop, drip, drippity, drop. Tell me in the comments which show that's from. Bonus points if you get it right. So this is the final product. Going to go ahead and bottle it, and I'm actually going to make a smoothie with this new oat milk. So I typically blend up my greens first just to get it extra choppy by the end. So I have my spinach and some coconut clusters in here. Then I'm just going to mix up real quick. And then I'm going to add some pomegranate seeds. And I have my berries, my raspberries, my blackberries, and of course some strawberries. And I also have my burro bananas. If you want to know why, go ahead and check this video out. And my almond milk. I'm so excited. So I threw all that in the blender, and I'm just going to mix it up, put in some little honey just to get it a little sweet. I usually have dates, but I'm going to do honey this time. Blend this baby on up, and honey. This thing was divine. Divine, okay? Divine. If you like this video, please give it a good thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.